Hello, I'm Ollie from QUICKSILVER Exhaust, and you join me with our latest development for the Porsche 992 Carrera. This exhaust packs a number of really high-end features into the price tag. Firstly, our signature Titane silencer. This is a titanium silencer with stainless end plates, so the titanium is bonded and riveted over and forms part of the structure. Next up, let's go on to the valves. The QUICKSILVER system features a perfect clone of Porsche's latest SBS valve technology. These are the new variable valves, and I'll explain a bit about them. Traditionally, a valve is binary in its operation. It's either shut 100% or it's open. The latest Porsche valves open and shut as a percentage, so there's constantly a blend of sound happening through the silenced and unsilenced passes. We wanted to make sure that this system was a perfect clone of the valve protocol and that the valves could be actuated using the button on the steering wheel. With QUICKSILVER system, the sound is continuously blended through smaller bore and larger bore pipes to give a really linear note and progressive driving experience. I should also mention this exhaust is OPF or GPF back, so it retains the factory catalysts, particulate filters. You just bolt it on and it's totally emissions friendly.